Welcome to Costa Azul in our beautiful Costa Rica. A gated community with spectacular ocean and mountain views, refreshing elevation, and close proximity to all the luxuries and necessities you need.
This luxury 3-bed, 3-bath home captures the true spirit of Costa Rica with flawless design, open and bright spaces, vibrant nature immersion, and world-class views.
The home is surrounded by lush greenery and wildlife, capturing the natural beauty that makes Costa Rica world-renowned. From the animals and mountains to the forests and ocean, every moment here brings a sense of deep, never-ending relaxation.
The home opens to a soaring, bright, and airy central space with a fold-away glass wall that blends the indoors with the patio, infinity pool, and majestic ocean views.
This open space holds a fully equipped kitchen, a relaxation lounge, and a breakfast bar.
A laundry and storage nook is very convenient.
The bright master bedroom offers an ensuite, plenty of storage, sliding door access to the patio, and stunning views.
Bedroom number 2 is equally impressive.
The third bedroom is ideal for children, featuring 2 beds, an ensuite, excellent storage, and sliding door access to the lush green area behind the home.
This luxury 3-bedroom home, featuring breathtaking ocean and mountain views, is proudly presented by Remax We Sell Paradise. Our listing agent, Ben, is available to answer any questions or arrange a private tour at your convenience. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon in paradise.